Hi guys, Dr. Adriana for Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic. Now, as we continue in the month of February, I want to talk to you about stress. February is all about the heart, and our heart unfortunately can be affected by high levels of stress. And the stress is a silent killer. There's a reason we call it that, right? And I can't tell you that I know anyone that is not stressed. But what we can do is how to manage that stress in our body. And now chiropractic can help you with that. So chiropractic adjustments can help you by actually creating or restoring the nervous system into a state of relaxation. So your brain controls your whole body. So every adjustment that we do in your spine sends inputs through those nerves up into your spine, into your brain to tell your body, relax. And when you relax, your muscles are not gonna feel tight, but guess what? You're also gonna sleep so much better. And we're gonna get that restorative sleep. So then the next morning we wake up and we're like, yes, I feel I can conquer the day. So if you do want to feel that way, or even learn more about how chiropractic can help you, just visit synergyoviedo.com.